Property for Sale are very excited because we're shooting the cover shot for our June cover. We're right now at Rahul Datta's photography studio here in Noida, and we are doing the cover shoot for our June issue with Mr. Vaibhav Jain, the MD of Rise Bungalows. So all those lovely covers that you've seen of Property for Sale magazine till date have all been shot by Rahul Datta here. So he's a dear friend of the Property for Sale team. And now we're doing this cover shot for the June issue with Rise Bungalows. So let's have a quick word with Rahul. Hi Rahul.
Great.
So Rahul, you've been associated with Property for Sale magazine for about good 3 years now. Yeah. So how's it the journey been?
It's wonderful. He approached me a couple of years back and he got one shoot done, and then there was no stopping back because the first issue, I would say from the first issue to now, whatever I see the magazine, there's been a tremendous change in quality. From the print quality to the shoots which we've been doing and to the content, and the advertising content has also gone, really, it's much better.
So things are looking really good for us here at Property for Sale magazine. Tell me one thing, of all the covers that you've shot, which would be your one favorite one? Think about it. Long and hard.
Yes. Well, each and every cover page is a very different one for me. If you've asked me, I think the BOP shoot which I did, Gaurav and Amit, I think that was one of my favorite.
So Mr. Vaibhav Jain, the MD of Rise Sky Bungalows, has just finished shooting the cover shoot of our June issue for Property for Sale magazine. So how was it, Vaibhav?
It was awesome. Rahul, as you know, he's one of the icons in the industry, and Property for Sale has been, coming from the last 3 years. We have been reading it now and then. We have just, this is the only magazine in the nation who is addressing property. So it's nice. It's nice.
So cover shoots are always fun. Huh? So you're excited to be on the June cover?
Hope so. I'm just looking forward for it.
So the June issue is going to be primarily about this new project that they're coming up with at Surajkund, which is called the Rise Sky Bungalows. So Vaibhav told us that it's a fantastic property, an ultra luxury property just very near South Delhi. They have only 3-bedroom apartments with a double heighted drawing room. They have a simplex apartment with a double heighted ceiling, which is their USP. And what else are the unique things?
These are service residences, So all the grey areas, all the places which you feel that are to be maintained, are to be managed by the entire, you have to do it in-house. The maids are there, one day come down, one day they came, one day they don't, and the ladies are just out of their mind, and the gents are, all this lifestyle. So what we're trying to do is we're just giving entire property, entire complex will be maintained by a hospitality chain, that is Clark's. So all the horticulture, landscaping, all the housekeeping, butler, in-room dining, spa, clubhouse, swimming pool, gymnasium, everything would be maintained by a 5-star hospitality chain. It's like, it's like permanent living in a 5-star hotel. You go out on weekend to just a 5-star hotel to have a dinner. Here it's like you're permanently living in a 5-star hotel and at the best location of the entire NCR. It's just 5 minutes from South Delhi. So that is the entire USP in this. My challenge, this is my challenge. This particular product will redefine how the group housing is thought about in India. That is my entire belief in this, and I'm sure one month down the line, you will see how group housing getting transformed in India.
So on that note, I urge all our Property for Sale magazine readers to pick up our June issue from your nearest newsstand or your magazine stand, or you can even download it on your iPhone or your iPad from the App Store, or just simply SMS MAG to 56161. Pick up the June issue with Mr. Vaibhav Jain on the cover and read about the Rise Sky Bungalows, and do visit the property in Surajkund once. And as he says, it'll redefine what you think about group housing. So until next time, this is us from Property for Sale magazine signing off.